As we said before, tracking is straightforward. You have one set of questions that you'll ask repeatedly. Let's take a closer look at automated tracking and the steps involved within Quantilope. The survey setup. You begin by crafting your questionnaire to gather the insights you need. Stay tuned for important tips on creating your questionnaire later. Once you've created your questionnaire, you'll generate your survey link or as many links as you need in our field section. This link is your gateway to aggregating all data together. Waves are the intervals in which you actively share your survey and receive responses. They are set up within the system. All you have to do is add the dates for each wave. It's best to predetermine all dates ahead of time. You also predetermine the cadence, target audience, and duration for each wave. Time to go live. With each wave of your tracker, the system automatically aligns the incoming data with the correct wave based on those preset dates. Let's review your data. In Quantilope, your data will be visible immediately after the first complete comes in, so you get to see it all in real time. Flip a switch to unveil the data organized by waves. This feature displays tracking charts, offering a snapshot of your survey's progress over time. The final touch. Your charts, reports, and dashboards auto-refresh with each new wave. You get the latest data instantly. Your task? Analyze the data, make informed strategic decisions, and stay in the know. This course will dive deeper into these features because this is just the tip of the iceberg.